Hello guys. Wow, it's so laggy today. I don't know why it's so laggy, but I was trolling off camera and people were pretty creeped out. So I was halfway trolled everybody in this server. So I'm going to another server, but I don't think I trolled everybody. So I'm gonna go see who did I not troll. Cause some people that's like just stare at me, I think they didn't troll. I did troll. Wait, did we see the other? Oh. New library. Libraries is like, why is that not a special? I'm looking for. Hold on, what is it? It's like music. Yeah, it's music. I used to go to people say 66 or nah. I trolled this whole server. Trolled this whole server. No, I'm gonna join another server, guys. I'm gonna join another server. I'll be trolled that server. I'll say something. Ooh, I thought cause my sister's tablet is around my computer chair, and now I almost rolled over it. Oh. Well, another day, another slow loading, like the last thing did. What? We just had this class. I think I'm stuck in a nightmare. I think I'm stuck in a nightmare, guys. Stuck in a nightmare. I am stuck in a nightmare. Oh. I said uh-oh because I couldn't zoom out my screen. When I zoomed in, and I went right here. Oh, there it is. Let me hit him with the 666 real quick, you know what I'm saying? When I get my Robux, guys, I'm gonna buy the pass for this game. Like red. What the heck did I join into? Somebody smoking? Barely. I'm about to go stare her. No, that's him. Guys, I don't even know how to get this away from my screen. Finally! Oh, he's trying to run away. Oh, he said he don't care. He don't care. He know he's scared. He know he's scared. Guys, he know he's scared, right? He know he's scared. He's scared. Everyone knows it. Should I get the whole zombie pack? The whole zombie pack. Guys, people like, I don't know what's wrong with people. Where's zombie? Ignore that music in the back. Um, Ow. Oh, that would be a perfect look. Like the skeleton on. That would be the perfect look. I don't know. It's not gonna load. Load! Bastard! Load! Oh, it's probably because I didn't let this load. So stupid, guys, right? Like, I'm so stupid. Oh my god. It's so early. I'm still tired. Big. Big. Oh, big. Big. I don't think you guys can hear the music on my computer, but I'll try to get it on there. I recorded it with Speedomatic, so it should have the music on there. How did I do this? Die, die. Oh yeah, guys, one time. See, look, my name is X. Greg returns X, and you can obviously see that. But the thing was, look at my bio. Like, Greg will make the servers bend. Screaming souls will never end. The amount of profiles gone a day makes XX Greg's day. It used to be something else. I think it was like, ticks will forever be in my heart, never to be forgotten. The ticks removal began, and Roblox gave them the hacking can. And then it was something. I think I got it on my profile. I have it on my profile. Profile. Greg will not win. He has been put in his place, but still beware, a monster is over there, over and under there. It was something else, like the tick. And I was talking about one times one times one times one and XX Greg because I think they're gonna come back. Cause you know how XX Greg made a new account named XX Greg XX, but I think he's gonna make an account named X Greg Returns. No, I'm gonna show that. I meant to show it. That's what I meant to do. Yeah, this is what it was, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna look it up for you guys. I'm gonna look it up. Greg, and it's probably not gonna show it because they did ban him. They did ban him. Banned. They did ban him. What the heck is wrong with? See, look, not showing him because he made a new account, and they banned that one too. No, that's still there. No, this isn't it. This isn't it. They banned it. I think he's gonna come back. We don't know yet. Cause I remember when one made another account. And then, if you guys know Inquisitor Master, this my, like, I feel like I'm her biggest fan. I love that girl. She she does Roblox role plays, and I always try to get in the game with her. Cause one time I remember she was live streaming, she was playing Survivor. I tried to, like, I was looking in the Survivor servers, and then I saw the server, but it was full, and I was like, dang it, maybe next time. But she never started laugh. I always try to get in her game. Cause I know when she's like online, I refresh the page and then she's on the game. But she never on the game. Like I can check right now. Watch this. And look, she's not online, but if like sometimes when I refresh the page, she's on the game or something. And I'll look. I made my new account, so I didn't friend her yet. But she doesn't even have much friends. And she has dominances. Like, at least donate me something. And I need to join this dark side, but yeah, that's all. Now let's get back to the control. This is very realistic. I like how Roblox added these. Jump. No. Why do I keep on going in the water? No, I can't go up. Why can't I go up? Oh, I know what to do. So I can see my climb. That's what I wanted to see. My climb. I wanted to see my climb. So I just go anywhere. Sit down. And sometimes it works. Oh, I just saw it. It was like a little glimpse of it. Like trying to climb up a table. I need to have something to climb up. I know it's a ladder somewhere. It's a ladder somewhere. We'll get to that later. Oh shoot, this video's ending in 3 minutes. Please, 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 please. Let me have time. I think people are at the nightclub. Yeah. But this isn't enough people. Need people like lots and bunches of people. Guys, should we troll her? Should we troll Alex? I'm gonna troll Alex, because she says she's friendly. Alright, the trolling begins. Yeah, that ought to scare her. That ought to scare her, guys. And I don't know if my cousin is gonna come over today, but I have a feeling he is. Not she. I have a feeling they are, because I have 4 cousins actually that I always know about, and the 2 of them don't come very much, but the other half, 2 of them, they come a lot on the weekend. What are we gonna do now? Are we gonna wait till the morning? We're just gonna be spying on her for right now. And then like make it look weird. We're gonna be spying on her. Where is she? And then when she starts to come up here, we're gonna run. But I don't know. The video's about to end, guys. Oh shoot. Shoot, guys. Oh, she went up there. No, she's still in. Oh, I think I can jump up top of there. Oh shoot, she's looking. This is a little creepy. Oh, guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna make part 2 like right after this video, but the video is about to end. So like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.